Hey guys, today let's learn how to access ChatGPT 4 for free. So if you guys would like to go ahead and access ChatGPT 4 for free, in this video tutorial I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to do this step by step, so please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Easily guys, you can easily go ahead and do this just by downloading the Bing.com website. So of course you could easily go ahead and access the web version of Bing.com or as well as the mobile version by downloading the Bing application. In this video, I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys and show you as well the mobile version through the application of Bing. So I've already downloaded the application and we have also logged onto our preferred accounts, and I want to go ahead and tap on this chat option right in the middle. Of course, this is going to show us the option to use GPT-4 as we are using Bing. So from here, just basically make sure that this toggle button is turned on, and that is going to allow you guys to use and access ChatGPT-4 for free just by utilizing Bing.com or the Bing website. That is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.